Whatever, everyone. What up? What up? Let me stand out the call. Uh, share. Let's go. Oh, let me share this link. And what's up, Kobe? What up? How you doing? Yo, what up? What up? Mark. Nice. Yeah, I was thinking about it too, but I don't know if it broke resistance yet. Let me check. Huh? Nice. Hold on. Yeah, I have a runner from here. I closed like 75% of my profits here, and I have a runner, 25% just running up to here. Stops at break even. Ooh, that's a nice trade, man. 30 pips. Nice trade. It was a hard. It wasn't that hard, but it was like I based it off of this fake out down here. My first interest would have been here, off of this candle. Came back to the range, fill the range, and then usually it continues going. So there's like a little more aggressive TP, but I closed like most of all my like 20, like 75% of my position. Yeah, I was like around there. I was like right here. Yeah, no. Ah, let's talk about the same thing. I'm not even trading gold anyways, so it doesn't even matter. You claim a lot of trades after they happen, sir. These are my trades. Someone said, I claim a lot of trades that didn't happen. These are my trades. You have the option to take. At the top left, these are the trades that I personally take. Like, my trades for a day. Like, I don't have to call it for you guys. I'm just giving ideas out. If I don't call it in the signal channel, you don't have to take it. US30, yeah. I said, claim a lot of trades. Yeah, US30. You just wait for signals all day, and you just sit there and you just wait for signals all day. Man, people just wait for signals all day long. You sit there and just like, yo, so when's the signal to happen? When did you take it? I broke it down this morning. If you're in, I don't know if you're a VIP or not, but no, not this guy in the chat. So basically, what happened was, if you look right here, you're gonna see. Let me make sure I'm recording. So okay, so you're gonna see, we had a fake out right here. Hold on. We had a. Right, let me break it down. So basically, 130. That's all the way down here. Well, why are you so focused on that? We have this whole area right now. Doesn't make any sense to focus down here. For price to get down here, we have to break this, like all these levels. Basically, okay, back to my thing. So basically, GJ was ranging right here. We create a low. This is the daily low from yesterday. Like this low right here, right? So pretty much what GJ did was create a low of support here. After this candle broke out of the support, after this candle came back in bullish. It came back into the range. So when it comes back into range, the range gets filled. So this range got filled, right? After usually when the range gets filled, it continues to go up like 75% of the time. Because I backtested the move a bunch of times, you're gonna see the range gets filled and it continues to go up. So this will be the target, the first target. So my entries were right here off of the 15-minute time frame, I think. So dropped down to to 30. My entries was right here on this candle. So basically, this candle right here was my entries, and my take profit was right here. And this is where I closed 75% of my position, and now I have a 25% runner to here, right? Because my daily target is going to be here. Eventually, once we break this target, we're going to come to here. But my like 75% of my position is gone. I'm just 25% left. Can we look at GR30? Well, you can send me a chart and I'll look at it. If you send me a chart, I'll look at the pair. Not like send me a label chart. Yeah, the point of the chat is not to just ask, look at this, look at that. Just send a chart and I'll look at it. Cause we're on stream, it's on YouTube. You can honestly just make one. If you know how cold, just make one and just connect it to your keyboard. Just put like labels on your keyboard. Just get an extra keypad. I'm gonna trade that pair. You don't understand your language. You trade smart money. Well, smart money. I don't understand your language. You don't understand your language. I don't understand smart money, man. Smart money, honestly, I just think it's just like, it's just price action. Honestly, what it is. Oh, remove this user. Craigslist user. Yes, sir. Wilson. Oh, alright. Yeah. Take your time. Too early to troll. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Jared. Yeah, man, if you just come here just to troll for no reason. Oh, yeah. If you guys are wondering, I'm not in any trades right now. I'm just waiting for this break over here. Break. Resistance will eventually come up. Because right now we're price is just making a support. Price is doing right now. So this 30-minute candle broke below the previous 30-minute candle. So let's see how it reacts here, because this is the next. This is the area of support. Because if you look to the left, you're gonna see this whole area. So it's heavy support. See what it does here. My rounding arrow stopped out, so I'm not in anything. Please leave a like on the stream if you guys are enjoying it. What up, bro? What up, Hondo? What's up? How's your day been? Any charts? Any charts? No one has charts? Any charts? Look at some pairs. Alright. What's the gold spread? Yeah, gold's coming down. Yep. Oh, I'm expecting gold to come down actually. I just the spread. I think the spreads are way too high for me. Let me check. They're not bad. Yeah. Thing is, if I were to enter gold, my stops would have to be above this 1 hour candle. Plus 10 pips. Right there. My target. Because my target for gold is actually like down here. There's a clear traffic. So, where to enter? Huge move. Yeah, spreads are too high for me. But it should be a clear move because gold is breaking this support being formed right here. And this candle came bearish. Previous candle came bearish. And then what this candle is doing right now is just filling this wick. So this candle is just filling this wick. And when it fills that wick, it's going to potentially have more momentum to come down. Once it breaks this level, it's going to come down to eventually here. And then it's going to come down and fill this wick right here. Because if you look on the 4 hour, you're going to see there's no traffic coming down. So this is a clear trade. I'm expecting the next 4 hour candle just to come down and push it down. Because the next 4 hour candle is going to be after New York open. So expecting some range, a lower range maybe, and then just potentially come down to here. Yeah, I haven't traded gold in a week. I miss it. So yeah, GJ just formed a nice support, right? So we have a nice, it's rejected out of the support. So what I'm gonna wait for is actually just like once this 5-minute bullish candle closes, the next 5-minute candle will most likely come back up and continue back up because price is bouncing off of this support and it's forming a nice bullish candle. So it just closed bullish, but this is like the 5-minute, so the confirmations aren't that strong. But I'm expecting G to come back up because it's a low retracement, a low pullback. Right, but I'm actually waiting for the 15 minutes to close. But the 15-minute closed bearish, so that's not a good sign because usually the bigger time frame overlaps the low time frame. So see. The music groovy, yeah, man. It's chill. It's chill music. Like, it's pretty chill. So for everyone, what pairs you guys looking at? Is there any questions? Any pairs? Drop a like on the stream if you guys are enjoying it. Enjoying all the gems dropped for free. What? Yeah, so I think the 5-minute closed bullish off the rejection, so I'm expecting this kind of just continue up if it breaks this high. But since it's a 5-minute, I'm not gonna enter off of it. I'm gonna wait because the 15-minute still closed bearish and 30-minute still closed. So it's still happening. So I'm gonna. Well, no, because this 5-minute has a high chance of coming up because this 5-minute bounced off the support. But this is just a 5-minute, so it's kind of weak. Because how I entered this morning on GJ was entered over here because it bounced it. This would have been my first entries because this is a little fake out. Price came below the range, came back up, but I thought I entered right here off of this candle with my stops below here or something. Forgot where, but yeah. I'm expecting this today to be bullish for GJ, but maybe not right now. It might range a little bit. See. I'm looking at gold pairs right now. Oh, USD pairs. I'm looking for Jer. That's why I was asking if we look at it. Send a chart. Send a chart. Like I don't know. Like I don't trade that pair. You know, I only trade gold and GJ, but. So we wait for 15-minute closures when we're holding for 1 hour, or don't think like that. So wait for the 15-minute closures when we're holding for the 1 hour. No, you can look at whatever time frame you want. Just whatever makes sense, like whatever tells a story. Because like my story here is, if you can't tell a story with your candles or with your trade, then you can't. It might not be a good trade because I can tell you a story right now. This GG buy that we caught 30 pips. This is my story. Price. This is yesterday's low right here. You see how price is just, it never broke this low, so this is the low right here. Price never broke the low. It respected it, all these rejections, all these spikes down, and just a closure back into the range. So what happened here was this candle closed below the range, and then this candle is coming back into the range. So when price comes back into the range, like I mentioned like many times, like 75% of the time, price will just continue to come up to fill that range. So that's what I did here because this is just a range, right? This is just a low range. So when price comes back, fakes out, comes back into the range, it fills the range. Because a fake out is pretty much like, it's a fake out. Like, you know, it's faking you out. So when price fakes you out one direction, what direction does it go? It goes the opposite direction. So meaning it'll come back up to fill the range. That's the first step. After it fills the range, about like 70% of the time, come up and break that resistance because this is a fake out. Remember that this is a fake out to go up, a fake out down to go up, or a fake out up to go down. That's what it is. So this was a fake out down to go up. That's why GG was pushing, especially off of the 4-hour candle bullish closure on the 4-hour. Yeah, so yeah, so my entries were like right here, for buy, because I seen this break of this resistance. So my entries was right there, and for my take profit to be right here. That was my story, and I'm expecting price to come up here today. It's just I'm gonna wait until we have a nice resistance form and a nice support form to enter more buys. Right now, if you look at it, we're sitting at this area right here, right? I'm expecting this range to get filled. This range should get filled, right? Because we have a gap here, as well as we have a minor resistance right here. So yeah, I'm expecting this area to get filled today. So GG can do two things: it can fill its range up, or it can just consolidate here all day, right? If it breaks this, it'll come down to here. But right now, we're just focused on this area, and we're focused on this area. You shouldn't be focused on this area because there's nothing happening here yet. For something to happen down here, we need a couple candles coming down, right? Obviously, we're gonna need like a candle to come down, and then continuation, downtrend, right? But for that to happen, we need more candles coming down, right? Right now, we're just focused on this area. Sorry, I'm gonna block this out. Just focus on this. That's all you gotta focus on, these two areas. Don't get distracted by the bottom areas. Hopefully I explained GG for you guys. But yeah, send a GR30 chart, cause I'll look at it and break it down with you. But just send a label chart, just break it down first and just show me what you see. Cause I don't know what you're seeing. Gold, yeah, send a gold chart. Show me what you see. Yeah, send a gold chart. Send a gold chart. Show me what you see. And try to put effort into your charts. You know, don't just send me a chart. Just send me a chart. Send me a chart, like with all your effort. So give you feedback. I'll give you proper feedback. Or if you're in a trade, show me what you're in, you know? Yeah, gold should come down today. Gold should come down. We just might range a little bit because we look to the left, we have this lower range right here. So it might be a lower range until like 9 o'clock, 10-ish. Maybe like New York open or the stock market open, and that's when it's gonna move again. Right now it's just in this lower range. Price rejected this range, so let's see. We have a minor support here formed. We should continue down like later on though. Should be good. Yeah. Gold should come down. Just wait it out though. After here we should be clear. So yeah, this candle closed, like I mentioned. GJ, you have this 5-minute closure rejecting this support, right? And it closed bullish. this candle is gonna fill this wick as well as come up. So once price passes this high right here, this is where you're gonna see price making higher highs and higher lows. So what you see for GJ right now is just this on the 5 minute. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and make a higher low and just continue up, right? But I'm actually just waiting for a 30-minute close. Because this is a 5 minute. If this is a 30-minute candle, then I probably would have entered on this candle with my stops below this candle because this is support. Anticipating that price will come up to here, right? But this is a 5-minute close, so I'm not that confirmed on it. But yeah, if this candle flips bullish, then I should expect GJ to come back up because maybe this is a liquidity grabber. It's enough. What this candle does is it just comes down, takes up everyone's orders, and then comes back up, right? Because it's bullish now. So let's see. If a 30-minute candle closes bullish, then we're gonna enter. It's just that I don't know where my stop's gonna be. Probably might be here at the 50-minute candle. So see. Because if you enter, your stops will have to be like the stops that I want to have would be like right here, 38 pips, but won't be a good risk to reward. GN, send me a chart, bro. Send me a chart, brother. Yeah, if 30-minute closes bullish, then looking for more entries. Let's see though. Have to close strong bullish. Like we have a nice little support here. We have yeah, right here. I think maybe yeah, we have to close above these wicks. So if you look at this scenario, you're gonna see we have a bunch of wicks here. We have a wick, a wick, a wick, and a wick. So once this candle closes above these wicks, it's gonna show strong momentum of this candle continuing up, right? So we have 2 minutes left. Gotta be patient, wait on it, because what's it gonna do later is probably gonna let's say it closes, it's probably gonna do this later. We're gonna come up like this. Gonna close bullish and then come down on the next candle, make a retest, and then potentially come up. Alright, so then it's gonna eventually tap this area. Yeah, see. But it's bullish. I wouldn't be selling. UJ, yeah, send a chart. Send a UJ chart, man. Send a UCJPY chart. I'll look at it. Let me get my magic keys ready. Target area right here. Stop loss probably on a 15. Yeah, it's not even worth it because the move's like halfway done, right? Yeah. You might want to be waiting for a move above here, above this area, because your stops are gonna be a little big here. If you don't want to have aggressive stop, if you want to have an aggressive stop, like a really aggressive stop loss, then your stops will have to be like probably below this candle or below this candle once it closes, right? So, but let's see. Let's see. So we closed bullish. 30-minute, closed bullish. So I'm expecting this to make a wick down and just potentially come up. Let's see. I'm expecting this to make a wick and just turn bullish. But 15-minute candle close bullish, 5-minute close bullish, 30-minute close bullish with a huge wick to the bottom. Only issue is this wick, right? Because this wick is bothering me. Because it has all this range to fill now, right? This wick has to get filled, but just let's see. Let's see what this candle does. How many pips? When we hop in on Telegram? Man, you guys are just waiting for a signal. I'm not entering yet. I'll show you guys. Like when I say I'm entering, I'll enter. And I'll probably send it. UJ on Telegram. UJ? I sent UJ? I don't think I sent UJ. When did I ever send UJ? What? Used. Oh, I sent UJ. I'm tripping. Yeah, I got you. I'm looking at it. Try to send it to me on the YouTube channel so everyone can look at it. We can discuss it because everyone's gonna learn off of it. Yeah, so this 15-minute resistance broke, and this candle's currently pulling back. I just don't. If I enter, I don't know where my stops are gonna be. Right. Because this huge wick, if this wick wasn't too far up, like if this wick was probably just like, let's say it was just like this wick was just like this or something, like this, I'll be fine with this trade, taking this trade, buy, right? But it's just that if I enter this trade now, my stops would have to be below this wick, because for price to go up, it has to respect this previous candle low. Right? This candle low. This candle made a low. So what this is a higher high. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high. It's a higher low. Just that this low that you see right here broke this low. So meaning that structure is broken. So this candle might come back down as well as fill this wick. Right? Look, if you look at it that way. Yeah, but if this wick was maybe it was up to here probably, then I probably would have entered with my stops right where that wick is. But since our wick is way too big, then I don't think I'm gonna enter. Like if this wick was like this, you see how this candle is currently, this wick is respecting this previous lower wick, right? That means structure is still going on. Like it's still gonna make higher highs and higher lows. But since this wick came all the way down and broke this low, this candle has a high chance of retracing back down a little bit, right? So I'm not in anything right now. I'll tell you guys in a minute. Yeah. Let's see how the 15-minute looks. Yeah, 15-minute. If this 15-minute breaks below this 15-minute, then we have a high chance of coming back down. A very high chance. And then this will be a fake out. Right, so if this 30-minute candle closes red bearish in here, then I'm probably gonna look for sells coming back into the range and just to come back down here, because this will probably be a fake up. Because if you look at it, what happened here? Price broke the high, closed above. If this candle closes bearish in here, then the next candle has a very high chance, like a 75% chance of making a wick to the top and then coming back down into the range to fill this range. And when it fills that range, it'll probably most likely come back down, because then this will be a fake out. Right? So if you trade fake outs, then this is the move for you. Yeah, I trade fake outs. It's just I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, because we have to close inside. W Prime. What up, bro? What up, Yusuf? Yeah, you're late. Nah, I didn't. I entered GJ buys earlier for 30 pips. So that's it. I sent UJ on Telegram, bro. W pattern. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Broke down GJ. Where you at? So I'm waiting for this 30-minute close. If we close inside, then we're probably gonna have a high chance of coming back to fill the range and then eventually come down to fill this range as well as fill these wicks, right? But right now, I'm not looking at any trades at all. If you guys enjoyed that little breakdown, drop a like. Subscribe to the channel. Bro, where's everyone at? These guys are hold on. Any news today? Let's see. We got China none major. I think we have anything right now. Today we got 10 a.m. we have consumer confidence. I don't expect this to move the news much, but we're expecting bad news, I think. Yeah, so we're probably expecting bad news. But I don't expect this to move the markets as much, especially because I'm not trading any dollar pairs right now. Because gold is currently fucking spreads are just taking everyone's money, right? So and GU, if you look at it, I'm not really looking to trade GU. I'm just focused on GJ right now. Yeah, bro, appreciate it. Breakdown GG's love, yeah, it was a nice breakdown. But yeah, it shouldn't be any trades right now because yeah. So look what's happening right now. What do you see? Just looking at this alone, what do you see? This candle is breaking the low of this candle. So it went from making higher highs to higher lows to making this now. And some people can call this like head and shoulders because when price breaks, when price is head and shoulders, what do you see for head and shoulders? You see this, right? It's pretty much just a breaker structure. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, breaks the previous high, and starts making a lower high and a lower low. That's what a breaker, head and shoulders kind of is. It's just breaker structure. So that's what price is doing right now. It's breaking the structure, and starting to potentially come down to fill this wick. We're gonna have a 85% chance of this candle coming down to fill this wick, right? It's gonna break the support and come back down. That's good though, cause we'll have more things to look at. We can potentially catch this move from here to here if this happens, right? Cause we're just in this range right now. So any charts, to send your charts. If you guys don't know how to send your charts, just look at the description because it's different. Like you can't send a full link on YouTube. It won't allow that. So if you guys are sending a chart, make sure you press this camera icon and then copy this link. But when you paste it, only send me like partial of it. Like say here, only send me like instead of this full link, just send me from this after this X, send me everything after the X, right? Like that. And this would be the link you send. I'll just copy it and paste it. I know people are having trouble saying links. Just read the description. Yo, 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 Taj, what up? What up, bro? This guy listens to the weekend. This guy listens to the whole trilogy at night. Yeah, I saw you slept like an hour ago, bro. Then don't trade, bro. Yeah, if you're not in the right mindset, bro, just stay out the charts. Trust me, cause he's gonna fuck with your account. Yeah, if you guys look at GJ, we have no wick to the top. I just noticed that. So what this means is two things. We have since there's no wick to the top, we have no range to fill. So the next candle probably there's nothing to fill here, right? There's no wick to fill. There's no range to fill because this is just a low range right now, right? If you look at it, this is a range here to here. Since this candle didn't have a wick, there's no range to fill. So the thing about this is this might be a little tricky, but it might show signs of this candle coming, continuing down, and just coming back to this range, right? See though, not in any trades. I'm not looking at anything. Just looking at GJ. If you guys have a chart, send it. I'm not really looking at anything else right now. Just focus on GJ. Focus on this low move coming down because if this 30-minute close is bearish, like I said, we could have a high chance of coming back here. Very high chance. Yeah, I didn't look at Jer. Like, I was waiting on someone to send me a chart. Yeah, like, yes, one lot, one lot. Jalen does that. This guy popped a 1.0 on like US 30 technically. Fucking nuts. Nut on US 30, bro. US 30, that's like, man, can't do that. The account size you have to have to pop a 1.0 on US 30 is like 30 grand plus, like not 40 or something. I mean, cause like I pop a 0.10 on US 30, and that's like equivalent to a 6.0. No, my bad. A 0.05 or something on a regular here, right? I usually drop like 6.0s on GJ and stuff, so that like a 0.10 is like equivalent on US 30 to that. There we go. Someone sent a chart. Let's go. Let me just copy this. Now let me copy this. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah. Alright, so someone sent a chart. What do you have here? Alright, so looking at this, we have a daily downtrend, right? So when this candle closed, you know, this candle, we had a minor resistance right here. Price came down, closed below these. Oh, yeah, I remember this day. Yeah, came below there. Right, mid top wick, got lower high, turning back down to here. So right now we're at a current support. Yeah, this kind of closed bullish off this support. Yeah, I guess yeah, this makes sense because we have this strong support. I remember this trade this day. We have a strong support here. So what happened was price pretty much just did. Let me just hold on. Make everything dark. We have a nice support here. So this candle, as long as this candle breaks the high, like it looks like it's gonna break it. As long as this candle breaks this previous candle high, then we have a high chance of coming up to fill this range up here. Because this is this little range we have from here to here. Right? So yeah, it makes sense. We have a range from here to here. So what's gonna happen, because we have a support being formed over here, price is in this lower range right now from here and here. But since this candle is breaking the previous candle high on a daily time frame, then yeah, price has a high chance coming here. It's just next time you send it, if you're entering, just show me where your entries are and your exits are. Like where's your stop loss, like why'd you put your stop loss there, etc. You know, and just send like more labels. Just explain it more. But yeah, it makes sense. Very good trade. Alright, yeah. Send that. Oh, yo, the 15-minute close bearish. I might take a trade. I have my stops above here with my take profit right here. So this is a 1-to-1 trade. Let me answer. Yeah. I'll fill this wick. So basically what I saw in this trade is that's what I saw. So price, this is a fake out right here. This is a fake out because we had a nice break of resistance, and then price, this candle closed bearish, right? When this candle closed bearish, what do you see on this candle alone? You see no top wick, and you see a wick to get filled. So the reason my stops are right here is because it's basically above the previous candle high. So this. So if price comes back up and comes back up to here, then price will just continue coming up, right? But since this candle closed bearish and this candle is in the zone, it's closed below the resistance, then we have a high chance of coming down to fill this wick, as well as break this support. Because if you look at it, this wick broke the previous wick. This wick broke the previous wick low, right? Which is right here. So I'm expecting this to come down to here to fill this wick as well, right? It only makes sense, right? So take my stops. Yeah, my stops are right there. It's a 1-to-1 risk to reward trade. Not the best risk to reward, but I might move my stops up. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stops down a little bit to there. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave. This is also the 30-minute high, the previous 30-minute high candle. I'm anticipating that will come down. See how it plays. Just know what you're risking, know what you're losing. If you guys are copying my trade, I know what I'm risking, I know what I'm losing. I'm risking like half of my profits from this morning, like 50% of my profits. So, because if this candle comes up, as long as we don't break this, then should be good. Because if it breaks this, then what it means is price, instead of making lower lows and lower highs, it's making a lower high. I mean, it's making a lower low, and then it's gonna make a lower high, and then it's gonna come like this, right? But as long as this area is respective, it should be good. So I'm looking at this move as a fake out, this 15-minute close. Yep. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is once price gets down to like probably over down here, once we're like 10 pips in profit down here, once if we fill this wick right here, I'm probably gonna move my stops to entry, right? But right now it's too early. Gotta give the trade some breathing room. It's gonna range a little bit, it might come up a little bit and come down, but who knows? Just give it some space and time. This is my second trade of the day, so I'm probably gonna be done after this trade. Yeah, I got 30 pips this morning. It was super. I woke up early. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna hop on that charts earlier today because I'm expecting price to come up to do some. So yeah, right when I hopped on, I'm like, yo, damn, this is a nice move. So I caught a buy. Yep, early in this trade. So as long as we do something like this, we're gonna fill this wick as well as fill this little range, right? As long as price doesn't break this high. So this is just an idea that I threw out. My trade that I'm taking, my second trade of the day, risking like I think 40 or 30% of my profits. I'm not risking all my profits. And yeah, I'm gonna take it slow. So what I mean when I'm risking like half of my profits is I'm only risking like this morning I made 30 pips on a 6.0, right? So on this trade I'm only taking a 3.0 lot trade instead of a 6.0. I'm taking a 3.0 lot trade and my stops are like way less than this morning. So this is like half of my profits from this morning, the stop loss, as well as half the lot size. So this is like a very small amount of my account, of my profits at least. What happened? You? You're where, Arizona? Yeah, Canada. We have none here in Canada. None. No, 20 in Arizona? I don't know how much we have in Canada. Let's see. What does Canada have? Canada has. Where's stats at? Yeah, Canada has 92 deaths. We have 7,000 cases. How much does America have? 100,000? Nuts. Damn. Yeah, I've been inside for 14. Like I think. Let me count. How long have I been inside for? Oh shit! You guys don't hear? I've been talking to myself the whole time. Yeah, let me fix it. Shit. Let me fix this. Speaker. How about now? Still talk?
Me?
There we go. You probably hear him now. Damn, I've been talking to myself. You guys didn't tell me in the chat the whole time.
I was like, who the hell are you talking to?
Bro, I've been talking to myself though. You guys didn't tell me in the chat. Bro, you guys it's been in this call for like an hour. You guys didn't tell me I was talking to myself the whole time. Bruh. Bro. That's funny, man. You guys didn't tell me. I've been looking like dumbass. I was talking. They're like, yo, who's this guy talking to? So yeah, you just currently coming down with 7 pips in profit. Once it gets to 10, once it gets down to this range, I'm moving my stops to entry. Right? So, see. Come on, come down, UJ. UJ.
Bro, I could have made 277 pips this morning.
Yo, what's good?
Yo, what up, what up, what up? Hey, guys, if you guys are in this call, I'm moving my stops to entry. Right? This trade is now risk-free. You should be in it risk-free right now. Alright, we're currently coming down. Let's go. If you're in profits, drop a 1 in the chat. Let's go. 10 pips. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm actually going to close 50% of my position and secure 10 pips and that you're half running. Right? So that's my trade. I'm closing 50% of the trade and I'm leaving the other half running.
Yo, Taj,
What's going on, bro?
where do you see your 30 going, bro?
I missed the big move, so I'm not.
Oh, the
I'm
sell?
Bro.
Yo,
If
how's
I would
that
have
one?
had alerts on like trade for you, I would have been balling right now. Like it, as soon as it broke my zone, it fell 20 pips.
If you guys are in here, in this call, in this trade, just drop a 1. I just closed 50% of my profits. I'm leaving the other half run.
I'm buying Jur and I'm just scalping it.
I don't know about a buy because it's still in the downtrend.
I know, I'm scalping right now.
Oh, okay.
Scalping, just small moves.
Man, be careful because it's still got to go down a little bit too.
Yeah, 100%. It's gonna go down.
Yeah, because the first hour that it broke my zone, it did 160 pips.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I would have been straight this morning if I would have woke up. Or put my It's in a super crazy range right now. This is bouncing off the dailies.
For Jur?
Yes. It's been doing that since the 25th. Damn, my birthday. When's my birthday, bro? What's today?
My birthday.
It's the 31st. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, happy birthday, man.
I'm joking, guys. It's not my birthday.
Oh,
It's fine.
Alright guys, so I just closed my position at half because my first half I closed 50% down here, so I secured 10 pips, and then my minor 50% of my position I got stopped out at entry right around here, right? So I'm not in this trade, but I secured 10 pips on this trade. So if you guys got that call, please drop a like on the stream. Nice 10 pips secured. Yep. So the small trade is not that big, it's just 10 pips, right? But it's still 10 pips. My birthday April 10? Yo, my birthday's April 10, what the hell? Whose birthday is April 10?
Second.
That's crazy, that's my birthday, April 10.
Big
That
20.
shit's in 2 days, bro. I'm about to be 22 and I got a quarantine. That's some
That's
bullshit.
my boy.
Alright guys, yo, so whoever's in this trade still, if you're still in this trade, I closed it, but if you're still in this trade, my stops would be at break even because we have this 15-minute that closed bearish. So once this 15-minute candle closes bearish, this is the current high of this candle. So meaning that if price breaks this high, it's gonna come back up, right? So that's why my stops would be here right now if you're in this trade or a break even, whatever it is. But I'm expecting this candle to continue coming down because we just broke the previous candle low. We wicked the previous candle low, as well as this wick has to get filled. I'm expecting this to come down. All right. So small trade, but still worked out. Cause like if you guys think about it, even though it's a small trade, the analysis and breakdown is all there. That's all that matters. As long as you guys get the whole analysis and right. So it doesn't matter because even if the trade was on the 1 hour time frame or the daily time frame, it'll be more pips. Same setup. It's the same setup on a 15-minute. It's gonna be the same setup on a daily time frame, right? So it doesn't matter. Like next time, maybe we can catch a trade on a daily time frame. Who knows? You know, it'll be more pips. But as long as you understand how I got in, where I got out, where my exits were, how I managed to trade, that's all that matters. You'll be able to use those things that I just taught you to catch the next move. But yeah, pretty simple trade. Yo Q, you saw how I entered?
Yeah, it was a clean move.
Yeah, it was based off of like this being a fake out right here. So yeah, this 30-minute just closed bearish. So we have a very high chance of this candle coming down. A very high chance. Because this candle closed, this is a fake out, right? This candle is back into the range. So what we might see is price is going to come up to retest this area and potentially come back down to fill this range as well as this wick. And once it fills this area and it fills that wick, price will probably just continue to go down further. Maybe down here, right? But yeah, pretty simple trade.
Oh yeah, so it's like retesting the
Yeah, because this is a
Yeah,
fake
the
out. This is a little fake out, right?
yeah.
Yeah, so let's go. I'm like pissed.
I have yet to catch one of those moves. I always see it happening, but I just don't catch it for some reason.
What, this move? What happened?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like the fake out move. Like
Yo,
the
he's a back test. Like once you back test it and you get more confidence from it, you're gonna like start like anticipating the move more, and you're gonna start like executing that move more. Cause this is a move that I've been answering like this week a lot on. Like I answered like probably 3 trades, and my three of my trades this week was off of a fake out, and the other was just like off a simple break and retest or something. But yeah, I spent my weekend back testing fake outs, and I spent my weekend back testing potential reversals, like this move down here. Kind of closing bullish. Like remember the GG call I called yesterday? That was off of the weekend move. So what I mean by fake out, what is that? Someone asked that. So look what happened here. So if you're confused on the fake out, let me explain it. Let me break it down. Just make sure you're recording this. So you have a resistance right here, right? You have these wicks that came to the top, right? Came to the top. But look what happened. They all closed inside this range. They didn't break it, because if it broke it, it would continue to come up, right? That's what would have happened. But since these candles close inside the range, this is now a resistance. So now if you mark up your resistance, you're gonna see it like this. This is your resistance. You're gonna see it like this. The resistance. Here, let me make it bold. This is a resistance, right? So when you have this resistance, what do you have? You have, obviously this is just a range now, because we have a range from here to here, right? We have this range. The reason why I'm saying this is a range is because from this resistance to the next support is right there. So anything from the next resistance to the next support is going to be considered a range now, right? So this candle right here closed bullish with a huge wick to the bottom, right? A huge wick, because when this candle made a wick, what did it do? It broke this candle low, and it broke, well yeah, it just broke that candle low, meaning that price is breaking structure. So what's the most likely thing to happen next is this. This candle closed bearish. I mean, this candle closed bearish inside the range, right? So when this candle closes bearish inside the range, price has a high chance of coming down to fill the range now. So the range is this. Again, this is the range, right? So we have a high chance of price coming down to fill this range. A very high chance. Like usually, not always, not 100%, but it's like 70 to 80% of the time. So this is probably like a low retest, a pullback, and price will continue to come down for this range on this pair. So yeah, that's what thing is. guys understood that. Let me know if you understood what I just said. It's a little more confusing, a little more advanced, but I'm not sure if you're new, but yep. Yeah. Yeah, so we have a minor support here, being formed, so let me just mark this down. Minor support right there. So once you break this, we should continue to come down.
I'm just gonna start getting dailies, bro.
Catching daily trades?
Bro.
Yeah, it's just that your stops are gonna be too big. That's the issue.
Cause it dunks perfect off my zones, bro. Perfectly. I'm trying to flip this little small account. I forgot I had this other account with $164 in it. So I'm gonna flip that to like 200. I'm almost there. $2 away. Time to get out.
Yeah. Alright, so you guys right now are gonna notice that this candle is currently breaking the low of this candle. So what's gonna happen with this candle? We have a very high chance of coming down to fill this wick as well as fill this wick and fill this wick. Alright? So but again, we're still respecting this support that's been forming on the 50-minute time frame. So let's see how it plays out. I'm expecting it to break. I'm more bearish on this right now. As of right now, as we speak, I'm more bearish on GJ than bullish. I'll be bullish once you break past this. But right now, I'm just, anything below here is bearish for me. Somebody's saying a chart, nice. Copy. Shit, I gotta copy this chart.
I got into that Duracell, Taj.
Yeah, I just bought.
Yes, got it. Let's go.
I think I call.
Somebody got an SPX. Okay, so you're in SPX 500 USD. Stop loss. Okay, so broke zone bearish. Waited for the wick to form to turn bearish and entered. Yeah. So yeah. Pretty much what happened here was, yeah, this level right here, this lower range. And then when you waited for a price to break that range, yeah, which it did on this candle, it broke that range. You broke below this little area. So what happened after was this wick has to get filled, right? Closed bearish, because this kind of closed bearish, yeah. The top wick too, so this bottom wick has to get filled, because it closed bearish, as well as this range right here. Yeah, it makes sense. Would you have taken this trade based off showing a range to the left side? Yeah, I wouldn't have taken this trade because I don't trade this pair, but if it was a different pair, then yeah, most likely I would have, because this is just a simple break of structure trade, you know? It's just a simple trade. The only thing I'll say on this trade is, the only thing is, just be careful for these couple wicks. Like maybe on the hourly time frame it's different, but on the 30-minute it doesn't look too clean because we have a bunch of candles to the left right here. Right, you have a bunch of candles here. But yeah, maybe on the hourly time frame this might have been one whole candle. Who knows? But
It is.
yeah, it is, right? SPX.
Yeah.
So it's probably like a one candle like this. Yeah. So yeah, I probably would have took this trade. Makes sense. Probably would have entered on the 30-minute like you and based it off of the 1 hour time frame. Makes perfect sense. Yeah. Good analysis, bro. Good analysis. So if you guys are selling analysis, make sure it looks like this. Good analysis. Where's Samuel? Yo, this guy's asleep. Damn, yeah, so you can see this candle is currently breaking the low of this candle. So we should expect to come down to fill this wick. It's just that if you enter now, your stops would have to be, this is a little aggressive stop loss because your stops would have to be up here, right? I wouldn't enter, but your stops would have to be up here with your TP down here. So it'd be like it wouldn't be a good risk to reward. But earlier on when we entered, yeah, it would have made more sense. Ooh, someone's in a chart. We're getting charts in now. That's better. That's good.
I'm risk free from the last candle in itself.
Oh, DJ?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have
Nice,
two
nice.
TPs though. That first resistance where the wicks fell, and then like the next 5-minute candle is like clean.
Yeah, I'll move my stops to this candle. Yeah, this is where your stops are, right? Should be there. I'll move it to this 15-minute candle. We entered up here. Be here. Someone's in that chart. Okay, so what do you have here? You have we're waiting for price to break the zone. All right. So price may fill this wick. It's going down. Yeah. Makes sense. It's just the thing about this, what's this? What is this? XRP? What is this? XTT? I don't know what that is. I don't trade this pair. Oh, platinum. Yeah, I don't trade platinum, but looking at this, the only thing I'll be concerned about is probably just this area right here, because this is not that clear. This is traffic. So you might run into some resistance here, then you might run into resistance here, you know, and then probably your price will come down here. Like maybe you can maybe make a range like here. You can probably make a range like this instead. So maybe you can probably have a range up here. Let's say below here, for TP to come down here. Like this, you can trade this. This will look way more clean, you know? Anything in this highlighted box is more clean. But I think this is a little too messy. Too much traffic here. Look, if you look at it, price is gonna come down. What's it gonna do? It's gonna look to the left. Ah, shit, traffic. Look to the left. Ah, shit, traffic. It comes down here. Looks to the left. No traffic. Comes down here. No traffic. So, but right now, yeah, it's just too much traffic.
Jimmy. Hello?
Jimmy, what up, bro?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm up. I'm lit. Let's get
What
it.
up? What up? What up?
I'm tired. Sound half dead. Bro. Oh my god, I missed the drop. No. And
What?
it went over my limit? What?
What, US 30? What happened?
Yes. Oh, wait, how did it jump over? Like,
Yeah, US 30 is a huge sell.
Oof.
I'm expecting US 30 to come down. Let's see.
Oh, I see where it jumped. Fuck.
Yeah, you had the support being formed right here. This candle came below this candle, so would have sell stops here probably.
I put my
Yeah,
sell,
target would be right here right now.
I put my sell limit at 22,425, but it jumped over. Damn.
Yeah. Low drop.
Dang, someone ate up that shit.
If it breaks, if it breaks 21.94, it could go even further.
Yes, yeah, if it breaks this, we're probably gonna come down to like maybe
It's going to 94. Well, shit. That's
we're gonna come down to here.
I look to my computer. Yeah.
Gotta worry about this lower area. Actually, no, sorry. You gotta worry about this area over here. And then you gotta worry about this area. But yeah, if you got in over here, you should be good. Should be good.
I just got out.
Where'd you get out? You have like some. Actually, I can just matter.
Bro,
You just get out
I
now.
just wanted my little quick pips.
Yeah.
I made 30 pips in like 2 minutes.
Damn. Lit.
Luckily, I know out of my big account. Let's try and flip this 160 real quick.
Yo, Taj,
What's going on?
the cells, bro. Holy. It's crazy. I'm done for the day.
You better be. Shit.
That said I better be.
Because these are some long ass. Bro. It's going to have to stop soon. Like, what kind of news? What's going on right now? Let me turn on Bloomberg. I knew it was gonna wake up like that. You check Forex Factory? You done got hella quiet.
Oh, my fault. I was looking at something. Yeah, price mix. Yeah, I looked at force value. There's nothing that happened.
Bro, I need to see how this plays out. I might enter again. Oh, bro. You serious?
Where are views just dropped? Crazy. Hold on. What happened to the end? What happened?
Do I see a pullback? Come on, there you go. Oh, in it right there. Fuck it.
So this 15-minute candle closed bullish. So since we're breaking this high, we might come back up, maybe. But I'm waiting for this hourly candle to close above. So once we get the hourly candle close above, we should be good for buys. But we just need this candle close bullish first before we're looking at more potential buys or sells or anything. It's a waiting game, man. It's a waiting game. There's no setup right now. You can't take anything. If you guys are liking the stream, just leave a like. Cause the more I think the more likes you get on the stream, the more I think I recommended or some on a YouTube search. So please drop a like. Please share with your friends. Share your groups. Share whatever. It's all free. Yeah, I think I'm done for today though. I'm still gonna analyze pairs, but I caught 40 pips today. I'm good. I am good.
Bitchin'.
Made my, I think 5%. I'm good. Around 5. What up, everyone? What up? How's your day been? You guys good? Yo, Sam's gonna wake up like, yo, I missed the moves. He's gonna be so pissed. I sleep. That's tough. That's tough. What's happening with gold? Oh, gold buy. Minute. Closure. Yeah, close above should come up close wick. That makes sense. Man, if gold spreads weren't that high, I'll be honest. Hey Jimmy, how's your spreads on on your broker?
Yeah, it's pretty good, but I don't
Is,
know why it jumped over my limit though. It's
we
weird.
is a normal spread on your gold like 7 pips? I forgot.
Yeah, on Osprey it's like 7, 8 pips.
No,
Yeah,
like the
pretty good.
like the regular like before all this happened.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah, yeah. It's like really good spreads on it.
No, like I'm talking about gold in general. Were the spreads always like
Yeah,
7 pips? I swear
yeah.
the spreads were like 3 pips before on gold. Or am I tripping?
No, that's you tripping. That's another one. Osprey's 5, but not that 5.
Wait, so these are normal spreads right now?
No. On Osprey, it's still high.
Gold is
'cause-
back to its decent spread, right?
No, it's not back to normal though, right? It's not like the normal. Cause I swear the normal is like 3 pips for gold.
Right now, it's
Seven.
It's at like
70.
50 for me.
Right now it's at 3 pips. It's at 7 pips for me, like around there. It's just jumping.
It's still tradable though.
Yeah, it's still tradable, but
I'm still not touching it
cause like
that liquidity grab that happened the other day.
no, that's just, that never happened to my broker. That
Oh,
was
really?
like yeah, that was like I think that was like some unregulated brokers probably.
I'm just scared of gold in general, so I don't trade it.
You don't need to be scared.
Gold's my
Bro.
favorite pair. This is all I trade, but it's just the past week I took a
Oh
break.
my god, Taj is still pushing down, man.
I don't know. I lost all confidence in gold, bro.
For real?
Normal spreads are normal.
Gold's like my child. Like I
Nah,
birthed
it's
gold.
like this. It's like this weird pattern with me and gold. All right, so it's like 1 week I'm hot as fuck on gold. Then another week I do not know.
Blows as a
what-
cow.
Yeah, gold is.
I don't know. Like 1 week I'm hot with it, and then another week I'm like snowflake on it, right? I can't shoot for nothing.
Bricks?
Bricks. Right? Like 1 week I'm shooting 5 for 5, another week I'm shooting 0 for 20. Like, ooh,
God
what?
damn.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm
Yo, I
like
think
gold.
this shit is just gonna keep pushing down.
It's like
Oh, for 20?
Oh, 1
Bro, how many
week?
trades you take a week?
Man said 0 and 20.
Oh, 20 trades. Nah, I'm playing.
it's like,
Bro, if I was like 0 and 5, I would get benched already.
yeah, bro. But nah, man, it's just like I don't have a good history with gold. But with US 30, I got a good history with it.
It's all fundamental based though, US 30.
Fundamental big lots? Nah. But nah, but I don't know, with US 30, like it moves like smoother than gold to me. Cause with gold, it just moves everywhere. And I'm like, what?
US 30 has some good ass payout, bro. And Jer.
Oh yeah.
Before I
Yeah,
trade
I'll
this
have to
pair,
agree
what else
with
did I
this.
see? What did I look?
What happened in
Ooh, this looks nasty.
GU?
The price is gonna come up and make a top wick.
Bro.
Because this candle right here is invalid. This one right here, this candle just blocked us out. This is a doji. It's invalid.
Yo,
This
I
block
swear.
out. Because nothing happened.
I think I'm finna buy you.
That's straight sell, right?
Nah, because look at this candle. This candle has a high chance of flipping and
yeah,
becoming
yeah.
bullish. This candle does not have a top wick. Because when it opened, what happened? It just came straight down. So usually what happens, when that happens is, what that means is price is just gonna, this is just a little pullback. 'Cause look at the structure, it's an uptrend. So this
Right.
candle is probably gonna flip bullish and continue up to here to fill this range on GU, right? Because this low respected this low. So we should be good. This is the low pullback
think-
to this range.
I might be buying US 30 soon, but I'm gonna see how these next few candles close.
Yeah, I'm expecting this GU to continue going up. I just
You
need
said you're buying US 30?
Yeah, not now. I'm waiting.
Oh, I've been scalping. I've been scalp selling this. God
No,
damn.
I'm not gonna like look for a hold buy. I'm just looking for like a good buy, you know. Just waiting it out.
Yeah,
I've
GU looks bullish, man. Bullish. Oh wait though, it's a
I might get in
nasty.
the buy on a 5 minute.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna wait for the 4-hour close because the only thing that's tripping me out right now is there's no wick to the bottom on this 4-hour candle. So that's tripping me out. But yeah, if this candle closes bullish, then I don't know. I'm not gonna answer G though. It doesn't look too. It doesn't look too confirmed for me. I'd rather just wait for GJ, sorry. But yeah, this pair, GCAD, bullish, bullish, bullish. Yeah, man, all these G pairs are bullish, I think. I'm coming
Man,
there.
check the news, bro. Fuck,
I don't think there's news today. It's like 10. There's like news at 10, but I don't think it's gonna do anything. So New York is open. New York is open now, right?
In 4
Yeah, it's about
minutes.
open in 4 minutes.
Yeah.
I get guap, spans.
Yeah, I think this 30-minute might come back up.
What's today? 31st, right?
Mhm.
Ooh. Wait. It says GDP for Canada come out today. Well,
Yeah, there's news
Hey,
for
man, whoever was singing Celebration Station, you got it stuck in my head now.
My bad. That shit in my head too, man.
Yeah, I'm finna play on the
But
stream.
yo, Turks, that shit go hard.
Yeah, nav went on. Nav went off.
Bro, I'm about to put the pre-order on Magic Keys, bro.
Get that order in, bro. You fine.
I'm in profit on GU.
For buy?
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. It's breaking
Yeah,
the.
it's on
It should come up. Looking at 30-minute, it should come up to here.
I'm in buys for US 30 right now.
Bro, you just said you were done, bro. Why are you buying? Why are you buying? Hold on.
Why you buying?
Actually, yeah, it makes sense I think you should wait for the 15-minute close first. Because if you enter a buy, your
Oh, just
stops,
no.
your
Yeah, no,
stops,
I'm
your
not
stops will
breaking
have
right
to
now.
be below here,
Yeah, I'm
and
not
your
breaking
target
right
would be here. But yo, because like there's no actually no, there is a below support.
Yeah, TP'd on GU.
I don't know. It's just
now.
I'll wait for this counter to close, man. A little risky. Because this 30-minute looks like it's not continuing coming down.
Yep, TP smashed.
Yeah, GU looks bullish.
Alright. Let's see.
I'm out shit.
Let's see.
Nah, before 7. Nah, we set the stream at 7, bro.
Yeah.
But like, nah, the moves aren't done yet. It's just like you have to
Oh,
like.
the session is just starting.
Yeah, the session's just starting. You have to like you gotta understand like New York is opening right now, so this is when a lot of volatility is gonna come into markets. Cause
2.
yeah, 3 seconds.
Blow the count. We're done.
That's a blow account.
Yeah, cause right now we're in a London overlap, so New York London, so it ends at 11. So after 11, you shouldn't be trading though. After 11, the markets are dead.
Yeah.
Like I see people looking for buys and sells on gold after 11. Like it's done, man. Day's done.
No.
I try to do
Like,
that
they-
every
they-
time.
Back in the market around like 7.
Yeah, I checked the markets again, like at Asian close around there, like 7. Not Asian close, Asian opening around like 8 or 9. I check a little for a little bit, but then that's it. I barely take trades, and then next day is New York. But you shouldn't be looking at charts for more than 3 hours. 'Cause then you'll be tired, bro. You're gonna get overwhelmed and shit.
Yeah, but you used to do that back in the day.
Me?
Yeah, when you first started.
I still do it because it's because I'm a signal provider, right? So like I still have to look at the charts, but like me entering those trades, I don't answer all of them, cause
That is a fiend.
yeah.
Um,
Because I wouldn't be looking at charts for that long if I wasn't a signal provider.
On the
I-
cat move, it's two worse than expected, and then one just normal.
Ooh, GJ, I was gonna enter. I swear I was gonna enter a buy here. I was gonna find my stops here, have my target up here, man.
Jesus
Damn.
Christ.
I looked at it too late, man. Damn.
Dang.
I seen this 30-minute kind of close bullish at this support, so I'm like, yo, price might come back up.
I had
Break
very
there.
USD buy, but I closed it.
Oh man, you shouldn't have closed that. I was looking at it just now.
Worst part was I was at like stop loss at entry too. I was up 20.
Damn, GJ.
Damn, I missed on so many pips, bro. I'm getting FOMO.
Huh?
This guy said FOMO. No, I was gonna tell you guys to enter. I wasn't gonna enter myself, but I was gonna tell you guys to enter here. But the move's done. Well, the move's not done, but just that little move right there was done.
Dang.
I'll wait for the next hourly candle though, for a 100% confirmation. But yeah, we should continue up because we broke the previous candle high. If you look at it, we broke this previous candle high. So this candle has a very high chance of coming to fill this wick, as well as to reach its target and fill this gap, finally, right? So I'm expecting GJ to come up. But I wouldn't enter right now because that little move right there was the move. But yeah, right now it's gonna maybe do a bunch of fuckery first before coming back up. But look, that was a liquidity grabber.
Yeah, every time at 8:30, a lot of those spikes.
Yeah.
Every time.
Candle is now. I'm not gonna enter right now because this candle's not red. Like that would have been the entry down there, and I would have took profit or something, like take partials or something, or break even or something on this trade. But right now, no, I'm not looking at it. Let's see how the 5-minute closes though, because if the 5-minute closes bullish, then we have a high chance of filling this wick. Yeah, it's just that I rather wait for the 15-minute close, because if the 15-minute closes like this, then we should be good. If the 15-minute closes like this, we should be good. Come up. Then we have this range to get filled. Yard.
Jer.
GU came up. GCAD. Gold. Yeah, so
Yeah, I caught a quick like 10 pips.
On what?
GU.
Yo, what happened at what's 2030? What time is that? What time is that? Hey. I ain't changed my thing. Jesus. Yo, how do I change my time on trading? I forgot, bro. I'm an old man. Like at the bottom, instead of just saying like military numbers, I just wanted to say like instead of saying 21 o'clock, just say like 9 o'clock.
yeah, nice move. Yeah, that was a. But I think with the delay on YouTube, I honestly don't think you guys would have caught it, even if I called it, because it was like literally like more than a 30-minute candle opened, just shot up. So even if I did,
Like a few seconds behind or something.
take 3 seconds
Yeah.
to keep refreshing.
No way to catch that then.
On the Zoom call, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that happened at 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12 o'clock. That wick, bruh.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close bullish, and once it closes, I'm gonna enter. Let's see, we have 9 minutes. We have a lot of time. Because I'm anticipating that this resistance is gonna break, and we're gonna come back up to here. Because now we have a nice support formed. That's a good thing. We have a nice support formed.
5 minutes.
But then again, if you guys look at it again, price might still be able to fill this range down here. So I'd rather have a support down here than up here. But let's see, we're just in this lower range right now. Don't get caught up in it.
Yeah, actually, I'm not even gonna look for US 30 buys anymore, bro. No. Cause this looks like this is gonna keep falling.
Isn't there CAD news today too, or let me see.
Yeah, but it's minor. It's like yellow.
Uh,
It's right now. It was at 8:30, so it came out.
is CB consumer confidence impactful?
No, shit. I'm not. It's gonna be bad news. I'm expecting bad news, but I'm not. I don't think it's gonna move that much. But I think this
What's the Fed? in
the CAN news came out mixed, right? So I'm expecting, since the last folder is red, I'm expecting this to be like Canadian dollar to come down today. Let's see. How's CAD-GPY doing? CAD-GPY, where you at? Yeah, I'm expecting CAD-GPY to come down for sure. But looking at that daily candle, yeah, daily candle just turning red. Oh shit!
Yeah.
This is a sell. Oh shit!
Yeah,
CAD-GPY, once it turns red, your stop should be like. Let's see though. The stops are way too big. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm done for a day. But this is a nice trade. How many pips? Yeah, stops is big on a daily time frame, but you can probably get a sell in. Yeah, this is a sell, man. This is a sell. CAD-GPY is a sell, especially with the news that just dropped. It should continue to drop further down. That this 4 hour is breaking the previous lows as well. So I'll wait for the next 4 hour candle to form to enter sells, but pretty much, yeah, this is a sell, man. For sure a sell. Yep, for sure a sell. Sure. Just wait for the next candle. If you enter right now, your stop's gonna have to be right here. On this candle or the next hourly high. So maybe like here. How many pips is this move? 165 pip move? Damn. The yen is weak. Let's see. CAD-GPY. I don't trade this pair as much, but I do look at GPY pairs a lot. Chart. This should be heading down. I see. Yo, whose mic is that?
Gold spreads are normal again.
Hey Jimmy, is that your mic?
No.
Yeah, earphones on or what?
You said what?
You have earphones on or? Like,
Oh, no.
I think it's because the phone's like rubbing off of your
Oh,
shirt
no,
or some
me,
shit.
that was me.
Oh yeah, I was like, yo, chill. Yeah, put your earphones on or something. Prevent that.
Let me go for AirPods.
Yeah, put that rich AirPods on. Respects. Yeah. We're gonna have to have. We're gonna have to have top right here. Yep. Price should come down easily.
So strong.
I think what I'm gonna wait for is the 4 hour I'm probably gonna wait for this next candle to form to give you guys a call or something. But yeah, this is bearish, man. Bearish, bearish, bearish.
Once you see a retest for that zone right there, it's gone.
Yeah, my mic is about to. Yeah, bearish, bearish, bearish. USD cash should be bullish then. How's this looking? Yep, back into the range. Let me just make that red then. CAD JPY. Red. Add to my list for today. Yep. Yeah. Looking good, looking good. Pair looking good. So this 30 minutes is gonna close bearish. Let's see. If this closes bullish, then I'm gonna enter it buy. If it closes bearish, then I'm not gonna stay out. Because I'm anticipating that this support is gonna get held.
I deleted the MT4 app
Why?
because I'm probably gonna get greedy.
This
and
guy
enter
can't control himself. Just stay out. Just watch the move happen.
Yeah.
That's the best. The best way to not overtrade is just to watch it happen. And then you'll miss the entire move. It's funny.
I don't know. I find that helps. Like sometimes when you reach your goal, but like you have the urge to want to trade.
Just don't look at the charts.
Yeah, just
No,
don't
because-
look at charts or just
Bro,
delete
just
the
throw
app.
your phone in the trash can, bro. That's all you gotta do.
Honestly.
It's not even your phone. It's like, cause I only trade
Bro,
from
just turn
my
off your phone.
I only trade from my computer, right? So if I'm not on my computer, I'm not gonna trade. But like when I trade,
You have magic keys. That's why.
no, not even that. I just like moving my stops. Like even if I didn't have magic keys, I'll still have to move my stops to break even. And it's way faster on MT4.
So blessed.
Need to up my analysis aspect of forex. Yeah.
I just practice the moves on trading you. Practice catching.
Yeah. It takes a lot of practice, yo. Takes
A
a
lot
lot.
of charting time. A lot.
Took me months, like months. Like, a lot of back testing. Like even like today, I still back test. Like this weekend, like the last night even, I spent my whole night and all week, all of last week just back testing this specific move, this low fake out here, and just a bunch of other moves. But it pays off, man.
Bro, bar replays are so helpful for you though. Like
I don't back test like that. I don't back test the
oh, you
direction.
don't backtest like that?
No, I back test
Oh.
like specific moves that happen, like this fake out right here. I'll see how it happened, how the candles move within it. Like I'm just back test like that direction. That's kind of easy. Like you can just say like
oh, I backtest my strat through like
here,
bar replays.
like look, if I go to this bar replay right here randomly, let's close my eyes and go back. Look, go right here. I can tell this is gonna be a sell. It's so easy because this is a sell trend, right? If you play it, it's probably gonna sell off. Alright, price is selling off. See? Like, you can just you can anticipate the direction so easily. It's just you gotta backtest the little things because this is just easy. The direction is easy. Cause I realized that my direction is always like 90%. Like I've never guessed a wrong direction. It's just my entries are off or something. So now I just backtest like those low entries. Makes more sense. Yeah, Joe, try back test little details. Don't just back test like direction.
Oh, it's pushing up. Nice.
Yeah, GJ is coming up. Kaji Prize is yep. Now wait. We
That's
have
good. That's pulling
15
back.
minutes. If you guys are enjoying the stream, please leave a like. It'll help us out. Help the channel grow. If you guys aren't in the Telegram yet, join the Telegram. You can find all the links right here. Go to the website, go to the bottom on our socials right here. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. Our Instagram is the most active one though. Make sure you follow up the Instagram. It's up here at the top left. Choro_FX on Instagram. Follow up. The one I'm waiting for right now, I'm actually waiting for GJ to close bullish. So once you get this kind of closure, like this, then that's when you're gonna see. So let's say we get it closed like this. Then this candle, 1 hour candle, should respect the previous low, which is down here. So I'm expecting this level to get respected. So when this candle forms, I'm gonna enter buys with my stops below here, with my target up here, anticipating that we're gonna fill this wick and also fill this range, because we have now formed a support, because earlier on we never had a support, we just had a spike up. So now that we have a support, we have a high chance of price continuing up. Yeah, bro, yo, if you tune into the live streams every day, you know, just keep studying. You should be good. This is
You
just,
learn a lot.
yeah, it's used to this. I'm offering a lot of shit right now. A lot of gems drop left, right, a lot of analysis breakdowns. Because usually signal providers, they can't really explain what they're doing. Like they could send a signal, but you might not know what's really going on. And it's best to know what's going on before you enter a trade. So that's why I explained to you guys why I have my stops here, why am I exit here, why am I closing 50% here, why am I, you know, it's all about managing the trade and how you enter. It's not just about how you enter, but it's about how you manage it. Manage it properly. Because if you don't manage it properly, you're gonna lose. If you don't, because people who don't manage their trades properly is because one, they're not watching the charts, right? They're not watching it. They're not they just think that price is it's just gonna go that direction, but they're not moving their stop loss to like previous candle lows or something, because they're not understanding like structure, right? So when you like understand candle structure, you have a little advantage of knowing when price is gonna break a certain area, or you know, like for example, this support, if this is broken, it's gonna come down. So that's why I have my stops here. If I were in a buy over here, you know, you gotta understand those little things. There's a lot of practicing though. Like you're not gonna understand forex, the market. Have you ever blown an account? Yeah, bro, I blew like 15 accounts. 15 accounts. 15 accounts. Took me a
You
year.
learn a lot through blowing accounts too. not
Yeah,
gonna
when you
lie.
blow accounts, it's when you learn.
Yeah. You learn, that's like the hard way of learning, but it's good for you.
You have to blow an
Hard
account.
way.
If you don't blow an
That
account,
stuff hit different, bro.
there's no, it's impossible. Like no one could ever not go through forex and not blow one account.
Yeah.
It's a requirement. Like
To
Yeah,
learn
it's like
stuff
it's
on the
like
set.
That shit
like,
hits your heart.
it's like how you swear yourself in, basically.
yeah,
Like if you ain't, it's like it's initiation, basically.
Initiation.
Initiation, bro. Before you become Mr. Fundamental Big Lots, you gotta blow some accounts. All parts.
I'm expecting GJ to come up.
Uncle
Requirement.
Ted.
Uncle bruh,
That guy's crazy.
he's a freaking goat.
That's
I didn't even
the only
know
guy.
he was
That's
from Toronto.
that's the only trader. I literally told you he's from Toronto.
I know. You said that he had like he has like what masters in economics or some shit.
He went to Ryerson. He went to
He didn't
Ryerson.
go to school.
No, he
He went
did.
to Ryerson,
He went to
yeah.
He read to Ryerson.
For what?
Oh,
Economics.
That's crazy.
Something.
Is
Like-
that for just his undergrad or like?
No, he has a master's in something though. He has beer.
Yeah.
He took beer shit.
masters and 100 lot psychology, bruh.
Yeah, he's the only trader. He's the only trader I look at. I don't care about any other trader. I don't believe or trust any other trader except for like maybe him and Raja.
Raja.
That was good.
Cause like
Look,
I feel like
thought Uncle Ted was fake. bro,
nah,
until I
he
watched.
like his Instagram looks sus because he doesn't have any photos of
Yeah.
himself. But like I don't know, like, a lot of traders out there they have their charts like this. And I don't trust charts that look like this.
Nah.
When you have your charts looking like this, I can't trust you, man. Like
Oh, yeah, you don't draw a trend line,
you're just in the range, you know. Yeah, like, I don't know.
Different
It's
that.
the only trades I
I don't
don't.
do those.
Yeah, I don't draw trend lines. I don't.
Yo,
I don't
'cause
fuck
I'm
with
looking at US 30 right now. It just looks like it's ranging like where it was
Yeah.
yesterday. Exactly yesterday.
I'm done with that pair for today.
Yeah, your gonna come down. I'm expecting it to
will.
come.
100%.
It should come
Yeah,
down
I'm with
to this bottom right here.
Yo, watch this week. I mean, this week have like 1 million cases for Corona. Watch.
Bruh, million. Throw an extra 500 on it, bruh.
It's at like
extra
7. It's more than over like 700,000 now.
Yeah.
It's crazy, bro.
Bruh, you know, like the numbers are real higher. The government just don't want to put it out because they don't want to scare people. But
Of course.
yeah, someone said like the numbers like super high. I think it really passed 1 million already.
To be honest though, like the scariest thing is more of the media. The media is more scary.
Yeah, like yeah, the virus is already scary just by itself, but the media is just
media.
like telling you,
Mhm.
hey, you gotta buy toilet paper, huh? Sir? What's, like, what's toilet paper gonna do against a like virus, bro? And like the thing is, like, I don't know why people trip. You know, like it has a high like recovery rate, but only ones that should be really scared is like people that have like real bad health issues or like old people. That's really about it. Because if you're healthy or whatever, you straight.
Yep.
Yeah. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Alright.
I'm looking
Yeah,
at
you
gold.
bored.
I mean, GJ. If I were to enter this buy, my stops would have to be 23 pips for like 23 pip gain. Like it'll be at the 1-1 ratio. Cause my stops would have to be below this hourly candle.
Oh.
Yo, where did y'all see US 30 going?
Down.
Down to the ground, bro.
Hey, so just wait for the candle to close because we're in this low range right now.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait till like 9 o'clock to see what's up with it before making any moves.
I'm
on it.
expecting this wick to get filled on the next
But-
hourly candle. Should come down most
Or,
likely.
US 30.
At JPY should come down on the next hourly candle as well. Waiting for that. GCAD. Why is price going up? GJ looks like it's gonna come up. It's just I don't know where my stop's gonna be. If I enter. That's when
21, 9, 12. Are you talking about that wick, right? On US 30?
no, I'm talking about GJ.
Uh,
Like I'm not I don't trade this pair as much anymore, so I'm not really looking to enter anything. But if I were to enter a sell, my stops would have to be like probably 22 to 2.43. My TP right here.
I see double top. I hope and drop.
Double top for what pair?
US 30 at the 1 hour. Just clear double top. I hope and drop. It is waiting. It is retesting a lot of the points.
because it failed 1 week. I'm just waiting.
Where do you see
Yeah.
it? 21,619. That's where I see it too.
Nah. Wait.
Yeah, I think man, this is a nice bite from down here. 15-minute candles. I think what I'm gonna do is targets. I'm gonna move it up a little bit. First target. Man, this is bullish. This is bullish. Yeah, my stops will have to be wide though. That's my issue. Bullish. We have like 5 minutes so hope this kind of comes down a little bit. Have a better price entry. Because what I'm expecting for this is this. This is what you should be expecting from GJ. You should be expecting this. See this candle right here? This candle's gonna close bullish. So the next candle is probably gonna retest this area. And once it retests that area, we're gonna get a nice candle up. Like so. And then eventually just continue to come up for a day. Alright? But I'm bullish on this pair the whole entire day. Makes sense.
Cat JPY could go to hell.
Yeah, it's coming down. Coming down. So yep, that's my input. I'm expecting this wick to get filled in a 4-hour, as well as a minute left to close. Oh shit, on the 4-hour too. Yeah, I'm expecting this area to come up today. If I were to restart my chart, I think this area is gonna be a potential target up here, and then you might run into some trouble there, but we should come up to here today. Move my targets up. Yeah, I mean, because these wicks don't get filled, man, for sure. If you look on a 4-hour, look to the left side, what do you see? Clean traffic. Clean traffic. This candle right here is what you call a clean traffic candle. So you should expect the same thing on the left side. Clear traffic. You should expect the same thing here today. Right, so let's get ready for those buys. Figure out where our stop's gonna be, you know. See, we gotta close above here, and then we're probably gonna come target. Let's see though. See where it closes. We have to close above, right? So I'm not in it yet. I'm still waiting. I might have my stops below the previous 30-minute low. Makes more sense. Yep. So I'm gonna enter this trade right here. Or just buy. Entry is right here. Boom. I'm in. So target's right there. Let's see how it goes. Alright, analyzed it. Should come up. Four-hour close too. Should come up. This trade I'm only risking a very small portion of my account because I already entered these buys, this sell. So in this trade I'm only gonna risk like 20% of my account. Not 20%, like tripping. Like 1% of my account. So 20% of my profits, 1% of my account is what I'm risking. I'm been profitable today. I think once this 5-minute passes this area, then we should be good. Yeah, once he passes these areas, it should be good. Should start flying there. Coming up though. Damn, this should be a nice trade, man. Oh, I didn't send a signal. Shit.
Red trade?
It'll be a late entry, but
I don't care, man. And if they're not in the stream, then you know they don't deserve to get signal anyways. So they keep
I mean,
saying
it's not too late.
no, it's not too late. I don't care though. I'm gonna say the stream entered earlier. If they're not in the stream, man, then they shouldn't be. You know.
We missing out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where? Like me? Literally, as soon as I woke up, I hopped on the stream.
Like I broke it down all morning. You know. So if you're in this call, if you're in this channel and in the YouTube, then you know this call was very
good. Very good. Very good.
Educational.
well. It was broken down and everything. So you know we've been talking about this all day. Yep. Target's up here. Might come to like once we get here. This is when I'll move my stops to entry, or I'll move my I'll take like half my like most 3/4 of my position out. So I'm gonna set partial TP to be right here. I'm gonna have a runner later on. My magic keys is so blessed. You can literally put where you want your partial TP to be. Amazing. So 16 pips on now put partial TP. Close. Yeah. We're jumping. We're jumping. So, what I mean is, once price gets here, I will close 75% of my profit. and have a runner. So TP. Alright. So if you guys are, you know. Oh shit, we're jumping. Let's go. Let's go. I'm moving my stops to entry, man. Stops to entry. 10 pips in profit. Securing. We're 10 pips in profit. Well, that's if my entry's here. So you have to follow along, move your stops below here. But when price pretty much nears its high, that's when I usually move my stops to entry, or when it's like 10 pips in profit. Because I don't want once it's 10 pips in profit, I don't want to lose on a winning trade. It wouldn't make sense, right? So when you're in profit, just move it to entry or something. Yep. Alright, my entry's at 134.282. Stops are there. Should push up. We should push up.
Okay. Dang, I stopped out. It is what it is.
You guys stopped out? Oh, you entered. Oh, yeah, you entered a little bit, maybe. Yeah, I didn't get stopped though yet. My entry's like down here. Still rolling the ball. See, push up, man. Cause the things you guys see in my chart, it might not be what you see in your chart because this is where my entry is. So your entry might be a little up here, or whatever. But you guys have an option if you want to move it to where my entry is, or you guys want to move it up here. Because I'm literally just trading for myself on the stream. I'm just streaming. I'm just showing you guys opportunities in the markets. Like, you know, I'm showing you guys how I see the market. So you guys have the option to enter with me or not. But my entry is down here. Where did you enter? I entered right here, 134.282. So if you look to the left side, the right side, you're gonna see we have this green is TP, this red is your stop loss, so it just measures it, and your gray box is your entry. In this case, my stops at entry, so that's why my stops and entries are like I like. Right? The heads up. How do you move entries? Well, you can going empty for look for your entries and enter that same number where your stop loss is, so when it hits entry you won't lose a dime, you won't lose a dollar. It's a risk-free trade. That's why I move stops to entry. That's the purpose of it. Yeah, price should come up. Expecting to come up. Bullish, man, bullish. It's good. Even this 5-minute closes like this, then it's, as long as we close bullish, we should be good, because then we have a wick to fill on our next candle. But we have to close bullish on this candle. Like sometimes I don't move my stops to entry when at 10 pips. Sometimes I just let it run. But in this case, since I'm being very cautious because I'm already in profit for today, so I'm not gonna risk that much on this trade. That's why I moved my stops to entry when it was at 10 pips. Come on, bro, push up. Yep. Hourly timing looks very good. Very good. Very good. So the reason my stops are here is because one, it's at entry, and two is also because
Hey, we're pushing up.
hey yo, let's go. Yeah, also this if this candle pushes and reverses and it turns red, then it's not a good sign. So that's why stops are here. Alright, also because that entry too. So we had a very good entry. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this signal. If you guys took it, please leave a like. I am closing 75% of my profits right here because I'm reaching this point. So close custom, right? Close custom, yeah. Close custom again. Alright, cool. Close half of my position so that I let the other one running. If you guys took this trade, please leave a like in the stream, please. Yep, stops the entry. Golden trade, man. Secured. How many pips did I secure? I secured nice 20 pips on this trade. So trade number 3, 20 pips. Right? And this is just a runner. I have a runner now running. So whatever happens, happens. So trade number 3, 20 pips. Man, we just can't miss this week, man. I don't think we missed a call, a signal. Oh, let me tell a signal channel. Move stops to entry. I am closing 75% profit with stops at entry. Hop in the stream for any questions. To see. If you guys took this call, please drop a 1. The YouTube chat. Man, that's a nice call. The streams every day? Yeah, every day, bro. You enter trade twice at the same entry level? What do you mean? It depends. Depends. Yep. See, perfect area for TP. Perfect area. Reason why I said once it gets here, I will close 100% my position profit and have a runner till TP. So I have a runner. So for example, I entered this trade with a 3.0, right? Because I'm only risking like 20, like small my profit, small amount. So I entered with 2.0. I closed 75% of it. So now I'm only running with a 0.50. Yeah, I'm only running with a 0.50 till take profit area. So from here to here, it's just a 0.50 running. But from here to here, it was just a 2.0. Because earlier I caught this and this was a 6.0. So now I'm just chilling with this trade. This is a risk-free trade for me. Yep. Closing and leaving a runner. So yeah, if you don't know what a runner is, I just explained it. So you guys should know. But this should be good because I'm expecting this 15-minute candle is gonna close in a minute. And if you guys look at this 15-minute candle, this 15-minute candle passed the previous high of here. This candle and it passed this previous high as well. So this candle has a very high chance of continuing up. So we have a nice wick to get filled now. We have this nice wick on this 15-minute. So I'm expecting this candle to come up like this. So I'll make a wick probably. I'm probably gonna come up like this. Or I might just make a low wick like this. A very small one and just come up like this. And it's probably gonna turn bullish. Once it breaks this area, it's gonna come up again. Do the same thing. Right, then it's gonna come up. Do this. First tap TP, stop it. Make a wick and then come up. Pretty simple trade, pretty simple trade. Broke it down and everything. So trade number 3, GJ, 20 pips. So my day is done here. I am done for the day. So this candle's gonna make that bottom wick and just it's gonna fill this wick now, most likely. Yep. Pips. On this move. If you guys took that, drop a like. Drop a like. Let's hit to 20 likes. 20 likes. 20 likes.
20 likes, 20 lots.
20 likes. Yeah. This is a good
No,
trade,
that's for
man.
NFP.
Oh, NFP, yeah. I might take a slow on NFP though. I'm not gonna retrade NFP. I don't like having orders, order trades in.
I'm just gonna trade NFP on Friday, and that's all I'm gonna do.
Shit. I don't trade Fridays. That's like bad luck to me. I don't know. Fridays is like, nah, bro. I'm done.
So yeah, I think I got stopped out at entry. So I am not in this trade anymore. But you guys have the option to stay if you guys want. But I'm not in this trade. I'm out of this trade. My day is done. Took 3 trades, took 3 dubs, and I'm good. 3 dubs. 3 for 3 today. Dude, trade on my computer, man. You can't trade on your phone. Well, you could, but like it's just it's too. It's like you gotta do a bunch of shit. Like you gotta, let's say you want to move stop loss to entry, you gotta type in those numbers, and then on MT4 you can just literally drag a line up or down. Like for example, like let's say you have a line on MT4, like right here. You enter right here. You stops right here, right? You can move it up to here later. Then you can move up to here. You move up to here. Move up to here. It's way easier. If yo Jonathan, actually Herschel, yo, go on YouTube and search up how to move stop loss to break even. It'll pop up. Like how to move stop loss to break. How to move stop loss on MT4 iPhone or whatever phone you have, right? And there it says right here, first thing that pops up, how to change stop loss to entry MT4 iPhone, right? It's just a quick Google search. You'll get an answer. So, yeah, I'm not in this trade anymore, guys.
What song you using for today, bro?
Hmm?
What song you using for the highlights today?
Yep, this GJ trade, man. This GJ trade. What song? I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna do what song should I do?
I don't know.
I was gonna do a Cardi song, just because I don't think any trader listens to Cardi, to be honest. I don't think there's one trader that listens to Cardi.
It's me.
Nah, I'm gonna play we're gonna play Chief Keef. I'm gonna play Swag by Chief Keef. No, I got how many pips? What do you mean how? Well, to measure pips, you can't measure on MT4 on your phone. You gotta like go in Trainer View. You gotta get this measuring tool right here, and you measure from here to here, and it says right here, it says 23 pips. So that's 23 pips. That's how you measure on Trainer View. But you can't measure on your phone on MT4. There's a lot of things you can't do on your phone. You can do more things on your MT4 on your computer, but not your phone. Because on the computer, you can measure your pips with the crosshair tool, but on Trainer View, you can't. I mean, on MT4 on your phone, you can't. So, if you guys look at this 5-minute candle broke below the previous 5-minute candle. So, this 5-minute candle broke the previous low, showing us signs that price is not continuing down. Maybe here, as well as fill these wicks, because this was a low range, right? This is a low 5-minute range. So price broke that range, now it should continue to come down to here, right? So that's why we had stops where it was. Now it's just gonna continue coming down. If you're still in the trade, you'll be in a mess right now. You'll be in a mess, It's also breaking below the previous 15-minute candle too, so what this could be is another fake out. It might be another fake out to come back down, maybe, right? So let's see. If you guys are enjoying the stream, just drop a like. Come on, let's get 20 likes. 20 likes.
Yes, thirsty.
Yes, sirski.
Alright. I'm gonna wait for that 9:30 clock to hit and see what US 30 trying to do, because I'm not gonna hop in before 9:30. Must be crazy.
How's gold doing?
The spreads look like it's slowing down. Like it's coming back to normal.
Wait, did your broker mention when the spreads were gonna come down to normal, like actual normal?
No. They just say it's gonna be like volatile for a little.
Oh,
They never said like this.
if there's a buy. This 15-minute candle closed bullish, rejecting off of this support right here. So this is coming back into the range now. So when it comes back into the range, what happens? This range doesn't get filled now from here. So I'm expecting US 30 to come up, so potentially up here, right? Or like up here probably, around here. Yeah, this is bullish right now. US 30. And it's 30-minute. Maybe it's gonna come up to like here. 3,000 pip move. But yeah, because we didn't close below, right? And we also on a 30-minute we closed below the range. This is the little fake out, right? So when it's a fake out, what happens? You're gonna have this now. You're gonna have this come back into the range, retest it, which it did right here. It made a lower high, made a lower low, and this should make a high. So, come up to here. So let's see how GJ looks now. Ooh, 15-minute close. Bullish. Yeah, I'm not in this. This is too messy now. Now this is danger. This is danger now.
Dang. You heard what happened to the German state minister, right?
Just now?
It happened like earlier, but he killed himself.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, cause he said the coronavirus hit his thing. Hey yo, it's crazy.
Wait, who did what?
The Germany prime minister, he killed himself because the economy's real bad.
Yo, what?
Yeah, that's crazy. That's a lot of stress though, no lie.
Yeah, it's a lot of stress. Wait, does GR30 move with the Germany? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Germany, like, I looked at it this morning, I was like, yo, what caused it to sink like that? See that happening at the same time. That thing happening. Yeah.
How do I connect?
like-
How do I connect KLT FOREX to TradingView? You can't. The only brokers you can connect MT here, let me search it up. Brokers.
Awanda, Forex.com.
Yeah, these brokers. So Awanda, FOREX.com, TradeVite, Gemini, all these brokers. These are the only brokers that connect to TradingView. Right? You can't connect KLT to TradingView. So just use your phone. Just use your computer. MT4. Honestly, MT4 is better than TradingView because prices actually move. Like TradingView has a delay. It has like a 3-second, a 1-second delay. How's CAD GPY doing? Did it close below? Oh shit! Oh shit! Came down. Yeah, it's coming down. My day is done though. My day is done. Trade's called though. I can put this in my trade's called. CAD GPY is coming down. Yeah. Everything looks like trouble right now. Where should I put CP for what? What do you mean? Yo guys, 4 more likes. 4 more likes. Let's get to 20 likes. We need 4 more likes. CAD GPY. Your TP for CAD GPY? It depends where your entry is, you know? Like here. My personal stop. If I enter this trade right now, it wouldn't be the best entry because I would have wanted to enter down up here. But if you're entered now, your stops would have to be above this candle on a 1 hour time frame. So maybe like above here, and your stops would have to be, your take profit would be like since this is more of a swing trade because this is just like you have a lot of levels that needs to be broken to come down there. So you have this level you gotta worry about, a small level, then you got this level, right, and then you got this level. Got a bunch of levels, right? So what you should do is you should actually just you have an option. You have your TP to be up here, right? If price respects that, or it breaks that, it's gonna come down to here. If it breaks this, it's gonna come down to here. So any of these targets should be your TP. I'm not in it. Alright. Come on, 2 more likes, 1 more like, 1 more like, spam it up. 20 likes. I gave you guys like so many pips today.
20 likes, smash.
Come on, 20 likes for 20 pips.
Nah, it already get hit.
EP smash.
20 likes.
I got hit. Let's
Like,
go.
bro, smash.
Let's go. Our next stream we'll aim for 21, and it's every day we're gonna add 1. After the year, it's gonna be 300. Every day is 1.
65.
It's like trading, you know. You can't expect it all at once.
Don't put all your eggs in the basket.
Exactly.
But it doesn't even feel like Tuesday, bro.
Yeah.
It feels like Monday.
Yeah. I'm hungry, bro. I get some fried chicken after. I get some
I just scalped US 30.
Who turned to IMO? What? IMO is banned from the stream. Can't talk about IMO in here.
I am
see-
who?
If someone mentions IMO, I'm kicking them out.
I am wasting my money, really. That's what
Man.
I lost. I money lost.
Instant money loss.
Instant money lost.
Yo, Sam, this guy is gone. Where is he?
This man
Yo.
just-
Yo, this guy.
I'm
This
gonna
guy's probably cheap. I must lie. Yeah,
One more minute.
anti-IMO, man.
Very. Never ever again, bro. 1 more minute since stocks open. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Stocks
Ooh,
open.
GJ closed bearish. Ooh, we have a high chance of coming down. Cause this is a range. Very high chance of coming down. So this candle should come down to like maybe here now. Right? So your stops have to be way too big. It's not even worth the trade, but it should come down to fill the range because this might be in a fake out on 30-minute time frame. It's just too messy right now. GJ is too messy. But yeah, I should expect a fake out. Why? Continue to sell, yeah. Oil, yeah, oil should continue dropping. Oil. I'm expecting oil to keep dropping. Yeah. It broke this previous kind of low, right? So it filled the gap, broke the low. So this should continue dropping because we have a minor support here, right on the 4 hour. Look on a time. Look on a 1 hour, we're gonna have nice support that got broken over here. So this candle should continue down. So probably here. Yeah, my day is done though. Gold is bullish. GU, yo, Sam, bro, yo, you're tripping.
Yeah, fuck. I need
Yo.
to fix this shit.
60 pips.
Crazy.
Yo, 3 for 3 today.
Yo. That's an L, man.
I woke up late. You have an alarm or what?
Yeah, I had it. Bro, I fully woke up, but I don't know what happened. It's all a blur.
Yeah, markets are GG's dirty now. Like it's gonna be in a weird consolidation range. Bunch of fake outs and stuff right now.
Yeah, looking at potential sells.
Earlier it was I just
Not gonna
mentioned
rush anything.
I just mentioned sells from like here to here. Cause
Yeah.
it's a little fake out, but yeah, you can probably get a sell from like here to here like later on.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
If this is a fake out, if this hourly kind of closes bearish, then yeah. But yeah, I'm done. My day is done here.
Bro, fuck Don. You're going crazy.
Yeah, I went crazy today. Dude, this week I haven't missed a call on stream.
Nutty.
I gave the signal late, but I don't know. I don't care about the signal. I was like, call it on stream. People are in here eating. Bro, you seen the thing I sent you this morning? The chart. It was literally the same entry. Like.
As yesterday?
No, look what I sent you. The thing I sent you. The thing with Raja. This guy had literally the same exact entry as me. Like same setup and everything. It was before I came onto the stream too. Like,
Ooh. Nice. See you take it before
yeah, I took a low before him.
yeah, the break.
But yeah. Alright, done now.
Whatever, bro, just hosted my trade management.
You made 5% yesterday, or what happened after? What happened after that trade, that GJ, last night, or
No,
G?
I mean, I don't know, it's off by like $5, but I pretty much made 5%.
Oh,
So wait, what'd you get, DJ?
Hmm?
What trades did you take? Hold, let me look at the screen.
I took GJ buys, GJ sells, and GJ buys. 30 pips on GJ buys this morning, and after 10 pips on GJ sells, like a little fake out call, After GG buys again, 20 pips on this move.
Nice.
Yeah. Later, bro. Yeah. Someone said. Yeah, I'm off. I'm gonna be off of this soon. Yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow, bro.
Alright, easy.
No, I'm talking to some guy in the channel.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream in like 5 minutes probably. Very not much. It's just ranging right now.
Yo. Fuck yo, I'm gonna have to be on Asian.
Nah, don't. You missed the day, bro. Just chill out now. Just don't. Actually, Asian. I don't know. Asia's not bad to be honest. Cause like.
Cause I mean, I had one winning trade and one losing trade yesterday.
I mean, the day's not done. You can still catch some shit. Like sometimes, like the market is probably gonna move to like 11, so you still got like some time, but don't rush anything though.
Yeah.
Bro, just set like 20 alarms tomorrow.
Yeah, no, bro, my alarms went off. I don't know. I was just so tired. I don't know.
What time you sleep?
Like, you know when you wake up and it's just like a blur? Like,
Nah, not anymore. I used to do that.
like,
I used to do that. But I don't know, not anymore. I don't know, cause like you're trading, you know.
Too much weed lately. Dude, I'm like, I need to.
Yeah. Guys, I was like, yes. Yeah, you and Chris from Hotbox.
Just fucking bored, bro. Like, nothing.
What's Chris doing?
He's chilling.
He's home, right?
He thinks he's a chef now or something. You know? So he's posting his like cooking.
Oh yeah, that was cooking. So wait, so he still ships stuff out every day or what?
Nah, well, yeah, like we get orders in every day and then we just ship throughout the week.
Oh word. Is it like a worldwide or just Canada or North America?
It's worldwide, but
Yeah.
most of the orders are just from Canada.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna end the call, end the live stream and just stay in the Zoom call for a little bit, but. Alright guys, so if you guys are in the stream, leave a like. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Subscribe. I'm gonna end the stream here because we're just ranging right now. Caught our pips and we're dipping. So 3 for 3 today. Catch you guys tomorrow.